Good day everyone. I, Harold Mendoza, member of League of Academic, Professional and Interdisciplinary Society. This human group mission is to educate anyone. That all of us should be educated and aware of our right, particularly this topic. Giving you a 1 to 2 minutes spiel where we can educate and learn to our right as an employee. Is it a workplace should be safe and help our working place condition? Let's support this way. Let our responsibility working condition as it avoid any minor accident. As an employee, we had the right to ask, to know if workplace has its safety and healthy working condition. We are employees has a right to speak up about hazard or risk and should receive training, access to safest records, and refuse to any dangerous work without fear of retaliation. And according to Republic Act number 11058 in the Labor Code of the Philippines, explicitly mandates that the state should guarantee the rights of all workers to safe and healthful working conditions. How this topic affect to our fellow workers? It is to the keys accidents may happen to our workplace. As example, fast food chain has safety precaution method such as McDo or Jollibee. By using white gloves for cooked product, specifically the light blue gloves for raw product. As a part of food safety, also for the safety of the customer and to our workers. So you employee should support our advocacy not only to help anybody but also importantly to help yourselves and to avoid those accidents and negligences. What can I say? Keep our people, keep that on your mind.